Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to fix some collard greens. I've got this big, huge bag, 2-pound bag of collard greens that I got at Walmart, and I love greens. Any kind of greens I like. I like kale, I like spinach, I like collard greens, mustard greens, you name it, I like it. But I like it in my Instant Pot. Yay! So I'm going to cook these in my Instant Pot. I'm gonna mash and push down and do everything I can to get these in here. These 2 pounds in my Instant Pot. I have the 8-quart Instant Pot. And in here I've got 3 pieces of uncooked bacon. And I'm going to put 3 pieces of cooked bacon in here. And I'm going to put in 1 can of chicken broth. This is great value chicken broth with reduced sodium. I'm going to put that in here, and that'll be my liquid for cooking. I've got this on saute now, so I can get it a little hot and try to cook these down some, because you know, collard greens, spinach, all that cooks down so much. So before I ever even get it under pressure, I'm going to put these in here and try to cook them on the saute feature and get them cooked down some. So hopefully I can get them all in here. Alright, so well, I probably could now. Yeah, I think I could. Alright, I'm going to go on and put some salt in here. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon and a half of coarse black pepper. And I'll bring you back when I get all these in here. I've got it on sauteing, but I'm going to try to mash all these down in here. I think I can do that, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I have all of the collard greens inside here. Y'all can hear Journey. She's over there fussing. And Regina's getting her, Kayla's in there fixing her some iced coffee. I don't know where Caden's at. So anyway, I'm going to set this to sealing right there. And wait a minute, and I'll show y'all. Let me get this on here. So I'm going to put this on, lock the lid. Regina, sit right here and put her on the table now. Let y'all see. Well, alright, so I've got this on. Got it pressed down for sealing now. And I'm going to go manual. And then I'm going to come all the way down to... this is right, Minnie. I'm going to go 10 minutes on this. And let me show you my beautiful granddaughter. Let me show you my beautiful granddaughter. Look. Look, no fussing. No fussing. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You are so pretty. I love you. You're so pretty. I love you so much. Okay, I'm back. Alright, let me show you. It's been 1 hour and 3 minutes since this stopped cooking, and my other daughter came, and so I just came in here. It had come down from pressure, and I forgot to put vinegar in it when I cooked it. You're supposed to put like 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, and I forgot to do that. So I put some in here, and I want to taste it. I'm going to put some in the Instant Pot after I taste this and see what it tastes like. I've never cooked it with bacon before, so I want to see. That's, that's really good. Yeah, that is really good. 8 minutes. 8 minutes, and it's just perfect. All right. This is a great keto dish. Great keto dish. In your Instant Pot. Get some collard greens and get some collard greens. Add some bacon in there. I had some that wasn't cooked. I had 3 slices that wasn't cooked and 3 slices that were cooked. I had some bacon grease in there. I put 1 can of chicken broth in there, and you're supposed to put 1/3 of a cup of vinegar and salt and pepper, of course, to taste. And I forgot to put the vinegar in there, but I just added it in here, and it's really good. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and oh wait, don't forget that if you to go to my giveaway video and watch that. And I've got a huge giveaway that's going to end September the 30th, 2018. So watch that video and find the rules for it and enter the giveaway before September the 30th. So I'll talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.